So here's a really quick tutorial on how to use InstaSite to create a website. First, go to InstaSite. It's at academics.hamilton.edu/InstaSite, and just log in using your Hamilton College user ID and password. When you log in, you will see if you've created a site already, it will be stored for you, and you can access that by clicking on it, or you can create a new site. Right now, we're just going to create a new site. The new site appears here with the name Another Site. To start working on that site, you just click on it. And this is where you would give the site a name. And let's talk a little bit about ITSST and give a very brief description. Instructional technology support at Hamilton College. Okay, and there are some built-in themes available. These themes can be edited after you've created the site, and if you create a theme, we can add them to InstaSite to reuse. So I'm just going to go with fall for now, and I'm going to click here to apply those changes to the site. So I'm applying the site name, the site description, and the visual theme there. The visual theme won't be visible until you actually preview your site. So creating a site is really just a process of categorizing the information that you want to display on the site. So let's talk about ITSST, and we'll just say about, and that will be the first page, and I'm going to add a subcategory, services. And I can either build this whole category, or I can add a subcategory. So I will add people, and I'll add another subcategory here, and it will be resources. Build this category. Now for a course support project, all of the categories would be determined beforehand, and the content for those categories would be written up using a wiki or some other tool. But InstaSite can also be used as a rapid prototyping tool. You can just kind of develop the site structure right here in InstaSite, and let's see, types of course, and you can see that I ran out of space here, and that's by design because we don't want the top navigation to be too long. So we'll just call that course support, and types here, and we'll build that category, and we'll just keep going through and add pages. Other support, hardware, software, build this category, and let's see, other support, course support, instruction, technology, and see if I can spell it, pedagogy. Build this category, and let's say I don't want this one, so I can just delete this one, and I can move these around. So again, part of the rapid prototyping model is you can use this tool to help you think about how you're going to categorize your information. So all of these can be moved left and right, and up and down, until you have your site structure here. Now when you're done with this part, you just click build site structure here, and it processes for a minute, and it builds a complete website out of the structure. And it gives you some information. You'll notice that in bold it says your information may be deleted from the system at any time. So you really should print this page out, and any information that you put into InstaSite you should probably back up in some way so that you can re-enter it again. There's no technical reason why the information shouldn't stay in the system, but we aren't at this time promising that we will keep the information in the system. So we can preview the site. That's what it looks like. We've got the banner image up here. This is all text. It's very user-friendly and readable by text screen readers. Very simple HTML code, and there are visual indicators regarding what page you're on. So if I go to the first page, I can tell that I'm on services, the services page. If I click on resources, so visual indicators here and here. So we always know where we're going in the site. So I can close the preview tab and go back. And now if I want to add some content, I can just click on a page, and you can see that we've got actually a WYSIWYG editor here. If you've developed your content in a wiki or in Dreamweaver, you can click on source and just paste the HTML in here. But for now, let's just do a little HTML editing right in InstaSite. Course support, instructional support, and administrative support. And we could apply some numbers and a few other things that we want to, just to make it pretty and happy. And when we're done with that, we can either cancel or add content. This shows you the content that's added to your page. If I want to change the site structure, I can go back here, move things around. Let's say I want to actually move this over here. It reorders and renumbers everything automatically. I'm going to rebuild the site. And when I'm happy with the site and I've got all my content in there, I just click Rebuild Site for download. Again, I click once and wait for it to process. Click here, save my site to the desktop or wherever I want to keep it. And I can just unzip that, and that site can be uploaded to any web server. It's just HTML and CSS. It doesn't require a Cold Fusion server to run. And I can go back here, and at this point I'm really done. I can just access my site here, open it up, and you can see when I view it locally, the Hamilton College banner is stripped out, as it will be if you upload it to any server other than Hamilton College. And that's how you create a website using InstaSite. I hope you can find time to give it a try. Thanks.